30 seconds. 308, your number. Take coming through 1,500 feet and 8 knots.
The Phase 7 spacecraft is now high over the African continent.
Becoming a homeowner is a critical moment in our lives. Owning a home provides stability, security, and a strong financial foundation for families.
The beauty of blockchain is that it actually evens the playing field. It connects people from all around the world, and we no longer have to rely on these large financial institutions that have a lock on those various countries.
Over the last few decades, technology has grown at an incredible rate. But the mortgage industry, on the other hand, has remained the same. An inherently flawed system that is controlled by just a handful of powerful and central authorities. We saw the results of these flaws play out in the 2008 financial crisis, where just a few greedy bankers making unethical decisions were almost able to single-handedly collapse the entire global economy.
We believe it's incredibly important to improve this global financing system with the ideas of decentralization and peer-to-peer networks.
So we've built FMSP to remove these central points of failure and connect borrowers and lenders directly on a global peer-to-peer network. FMSP will make private mortgage investing just as easy as buying a Bitcoin or Ethereum on a cryptocurrency exchange.
Viva is a hybrid platform that uses the fractional mortgage share protocol to streamline the mortgage process and revolutionize the way we buy homes by offering loans that are up to 50% lower than those of traditional commercial banks. The savings to the individual homebuyer could be hundreds of thousands of dollars over the life of a typical 30-year mortgage. You'll have people in London helping families buy homes in Mumbai or Buenos Aires.
After a successful loan origination, each month, when the homebuyer makes their mortgage payments, that smart contract is activated, and those monthly payments are then sent from the homebuyer and remitted via the blockchain directly to the fractional mortgage shareholders around the world.
Viva provides mortgage investors with complete safety and assurance in the scenario of a default by underpinning the loans with mortgage insurance and credit default swaps. This means if an international borrower were to default on their loan, the mortgage insurance contract would execute and lenders would receive the promised collateral directly from the insurance company or CDS holders.
Well, in essence, the other reason that I like Viva Network is rather than the banks having a stranglehold on mortgages, it's now opening it up to the public to be able to get pieces of mortgages. In addition, what I especially liked about it is it's going to be insured or reinsured by insurance companies. If for any reason one of the people whose houses I invested in defaulted, for any reason at all, it's completely secure. The insurance company will kick in and I'll get repaid.
Liquidity is introduced through Viva's international fractional mortgage share exchange that will function much like a cryptocurrency exchange, providing investors with the ability to enter and exit their fractional mortgage holdings with ease and flexibility.
Another significant advantage of the Viva network, in my opinion, is that you actually have liquidity. You can go onto the Viva network and you can sell that fractional mortgage share quite easily and quite quickly. In my past, I've actually invested in people's mortgages privately, but the problem with investing in somebody's mortgage individually is it's extremely difficult to find somebody to take you out of that investment. With the Viva network, liquidity is not an issue. It can be sold very quickly and very easily, and that's a massive advantage to the Viva network.
One of the best features of Viva is that there's a native token to the system, and that's the Viva token. It's the medium of exchange for this market. Viva will be available to buy during the token sale, or once the token sale has ended, clients will be able to trade their Viva on cryptocurrency exchanges. Viva tokens act as the incentive system and fuel behind all of the transactions on the network. As they have a fixed and scarce supply, they've been purposefully integrated into the system so that demand for the tokens will increase as the platform gains popularity globally. One of the many advantages of using Viva tokens is that our clients can use Viva to pay the transaction fees on the exchange. When they do so, they'll receive a 75% discount on those fees. This will bring the trading fees on the FMS exchange to the lowest in the industry. Therefore, using Viva will even further increase yields and profitability for our clients. Or, users can hold on to their Viva, which may appreciate as the network grows.
This is a massive industry. There's trillions and trillions of dollars out there that are looking for fixed income investment. Essentially speaking, this is opening it up now.
Viva is unique in that anyone who uses the technology can become an investor. And when Viva is successful, they can share in that financial success. It's like being able to invest into Uber or Facebook when they were only startups. Banks have been making billions of dollars off this model for decades. And now it's time for the people to do the same and take back what's theirs. Viva is going to completely revolutionize the way we purchase homes by making it faster, easier, and more affordable. Smart, streamlined, transparent, and secure. Viva is helping to create a new generation of mortgage loans. Join us and become part of the mortgage revolution.